All right there, grade 7. We're just going through the practice set here on your lesson. Since you probably don't have compasses and stuff like that at home anymore, I'm just following through. They said draw an 80-degree angle and then copy that with your copy that angle using a compass. So I'm going to do that for a second here. Just got to kind of move this guy around here. It's a little tricky. I remember this from last time to manipulate all of these things around. So we're almost there. Okay, so there we go. We got a nice 80-degree angle that I just created. And now it says using a protractor, not a protractor, using a compass, copy that angle. Okay, so the easiest way to copy that angle is to move your protractor point. I'm trying to get it moved to this spot. And now we're just going to move it around. Shrink her down a bit. And so what you would do is you'd create an arc like that. Okay, now once you got that arc, it gives you the 2 points. So we can actually go and put another line down here. Oops, trying to get my ruler straight here. Put another line down. I'm just going to have these overlapping in some ways. Okay, so we have another line down. I grab my protractor, which is still set up to what I had it at. Right, and now what we can do is copy that line here. And now go over here. Figure out where this would... Oh, I gotta stretch it out. Yes. A little bit over. That is pretty close to where it should be. You can see that I've got that mark there. So now I can actually go back onto this point here and I can mark this off. So that kind of shows you how you can create your angles. Now, I wish I could make this ruler smaller. Can I shrink my... No, I can't shrink my page either. It's a relatively lousy app to work with. Or I just got to get better at it with grade 7, one of the two. And so now you can see that we can actually, we're almost there, copy that angle. There she goes. So we've copied an angle. Now you can see, let's just see how close we are with that angle. Okay, I got my protractor out a wee bit. But you can see I'm I'm out there. And you can see I'm pretty close to that 80 degrees. It's a little out on that one there. There's also a little out on this one because of the ruler. But you can see I'm pretty close there using a protractor. The same thing basically works with a triangle. And for the next one, it says, with a protractor, draw a triangle with the angles 30, 60, and 90. So let's just wipe this one out. We're gonna get our protractor here, and we're gonna set her up to 90. Put a mark there. Put a mark there. Okay, so we have a 90-degree line. We're going to get our ruler out. We're going to mark your 90-degree line. Okay, my drawing skills are not going to be 100% here. 90-degree line. So now we need a 30-degree angle. And of course, if we've done it right, so 30 is right over here. So let's just mark this off. 30. Then now we have a 30. Let's grab our ruler. Go make sure she's lined up here. Oh, very close. I think that's going to be close enough. there we have our triangle. Essentially, in order to find your points on the triangle, what you're going to do is start with a straight line on the bottom here. Okay, so I got a nice straight line on the bottom here, and this is going to make my nice line on the bottom for my first part of the triangle. And then what you'll notice is that we can grab our compass and mark off easily the first point, because we are going to be, oops. So now we've matched up our compass. We can match up our compass here, and our first point is going to be there. Okay, so we've actually made that point of reference. The next one that we can do is we can grab our compass, move it to this line, move it out to where she touches there. Oops. There we go. And then of course we can match also here. Oops, go down a little bit, compass. Okay, we're right where we need to be. Almost. Yep, that looks like we're accurate. And draw our line. So now we have everything that we need in order to make this work. I've just figured out how to make this ruler work. It's kind of cool. Use both fingers on it. Okay, so there we're pretty close. And there's our first. And now we can line this ruler up over here. And come down. Oh, we're on the wrong side of the ruler. And we're almost there. And now we have our two triangles. And checking out with your compass, let's just see if we got close with that 90 degrees using this technology. And you can see we're pretty much spot on. And I bet if we measured these two, you'll see that our lengths of our line, here it's showing 4.2. And when I move it down here, we're at 4.2 as well. So we did an accurate job doing that. And so, see, you're going to have to explain, but this gives you a video of what to do, grade 7, with your compass. Very handy when you have a string and a nail, and you can copy something just with a string and a nail. That's it. Do the odd ones in the